Wagwan Flava Chasers, we be back another fun-filled episode of Flava Station. Today, Jamaican Curry chicken. Car's being cleaned, modern life, you know how it go. Hair's a mess, need a shave, can't be helped. I'm doing this quick, on the way to work. So yeah, only chance I had to do the intro. So like, subscribe, it's a real thing. It's a cooking show, not a fashion show. Bow!
Flava Station. Flava Station.
Right then, first thing we're gonna need is some chicken breast, and we're gonna wash the meat. I know it's controversial, but some people say splash malt vinegar, bombo. Yes, lemon juice. You got no Zaflora in your yard, no Fabulosa, nothing to sanitize your work surfaces after, you dirty pig. Lemon juice, fresh is best. Oh yeah, give that a little, get all in that fillet, baby. Yeah man, just give that a little mix. Gloves of course. I might touch this something. Just give that a nice little thing. The acidity is gonna smash the bacteria as a batty. Now, run the tap till the water runs clean. Yes, we're just washing the meat. The factory them dirty no bombo. Yes, water clean. Next thing, grab a little cloth and a tray. Just drain your chicken off. Oh, but cooking kills all the bacteria. Yeah, but come on, blood. You know why I'm cooking as slime? Yes, just pat that dry. Now we're gonna dice it up a nice little piece. Let me show you how quick. We're gonna go lengthways. There's your little fillet. Lengthways down the middle. Brah. See? Nice. Now you just want nice 2 to 3 centimeter chunks of chicken. Look at how clean and fresh it looks, man. No slime on the board or nothing. If you don't wash your meat, either on your person or the stuff you eat, then unsubscribe. I'll say that now. Unsubscribe from me, because we can't get on. Yes, man. Just speed that up. Slicer. Yes, Firestorm in the background. Big man ting. Hey. Look, see it there? No slime. Clean. Slice that chicken good. Ah, hello. Hey. Done. Now, 2 breasts. Lovely jubbly. Red board. Now, classic Jamaican cooking. Onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, tomato. We got allspice. We got coriander, curry powder, paprika, garlic. We're gonna chop this. I ain't showing you how to chop it. Knife skills episode. And 3, 2, 1. Bullshit! Yes, man. Knife skills episode on the channel. If you want to know how to slice and dice, just put that in with your chicken. Now add your spices. There's your curry powder. Come alongside that with the paprika. Lovely. Yes, coriander. You're talking about 2 tablespoons. That's a teaspoon. Allspice, mixed spice. Got your pimento, little salt in there. Lovely jubbly. Thyme, of course, fresh. Come on, yardie ting. Olive oil. Now this ain't a yardie ting, but trust me, olive oil in your marinade bangs. Trust me. Trust me, no dog. I'm telling you. Preferably, I'd like to leave this for 2 days, man. Let it soak up all that goodness. But I'm about to go on my break, and I want that good. I want that good curried chicken. I was gonna make brown stew, but then we didn't have the ingredients, and I was like, allow it. So yeah, mix that up, get it all incorporated, all that lovely onion juice and scallion juice and your scotch bonnet diced fine in there. Look. Let me take it from under the lights. Look at that, man. Flavor. Nobody can tell me about flavor. Mixer. Blow your head off, but it's peng. Trust me, blood. Now, hot pan. Bit of vegetable oil, sunflower oil.
Fire's made of fire making pie.
He's doing well. Yeah, hot pan, smoky pan. Ingredients. Bang them in there. Sizzle, baby. No messing, blood. Get all that good out of there. See the sizzle. Now what this is gonna do, it's gonna toast your spices. It's gonna seal your chicken. It's gonna do all manner of tasty business. Let me tell ya. Importante. It's a good look. You could do this with corn actually if you're vegetarian. That would bang still. Yeah man, look at it. Flipper. If you're not a chef, just mixer. No messing, baby. Onion them. Look at the time, that's about halfway done now. Look at it, starting to look a bit like curry chicken. Oh my, now I'm not coming in with peppers and potato and all them things. I'm just gonna stick to the core yardie flavours. Now, about 10 minutes later, you wanna check your chicken. I'd say that's about 90% done. See how the flesh is white, but you still got that hint of pink inside there. Just a little bit. It's edible, it's hot, but you want to just make sure that chicken's cooked through, because you don't want to poison your kids, man, and your guests. Hot water, boiling water, about 200 ml. Just coat your chicken. This will finish it off. It will deglaze your pan. It will do madness. This is your sauce. We ain't using no thickening agents, man. This is just gonna reduce down nice. I'm gonna serve on rice. Gonna have a really good time. Yes, man, look.
Oh, baby.
No messing.
Beautiful.
If you could smell it through the screen, make you wanna slap your mama.
Hey, mama, what you want, Willie? Bros barbecue.
Bang that over rice. No playing, no messing. It ain't a game.
Hell no.
Lovely midweek meal. What can you say? Jamaican curry chicken, baby. Succulent, moist. Moist chicken. All the onion look cooked through, scallion cooked through. Don't choke on the thyme twigs. Pick them out if you're a sensitive one.
Flava Station.